Hello students, I am Dr. Ganesh Patil from KTM College Nasi. Today we are going to learn chapter number 4, Measures of Dispersion. In this chapter we have learned a topic, standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Let us recall first. In our last lecture we learned range. Range is a simplest of the measures of dispersion. It is defined as the difference between value of smallest atom and the value of the largest atom, including in the distribution. That is, range is equal to L minus S, where L is equal to largest atom or observation and S is equal to smallest atom or observation. Then we learn coefficient of range. The corresponding relative measures of range is called the coefficient of range, and which is given by coefficient of range is equal to L minus S divided by L plus S. Student, today we learn standard deviation. Definition of standard deviation. The positive square root of mean of square of the deviation take from arithmetic mean is called as standard deviation. Small s, small d. It is denoted by sigma. Read as a sigma, a lower case of Greek letter. This is known as sigma. This is known as sigma. Therefore, sigma is equal to a square root summation of x square divided by n minus x bar square for individual observation. Then sigma is equal to under root summation of f into x square divided by n minus x bar square for frequency distribution. This is most important formulas for standard deviation, one for individual observation and one for frequency distribution. Then coefficient of variation. Professor Carl Pearson suggests that the relative measures of standard deviation, it is called as coefficient of variation, is also known as CV. It is given by coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation divided by arithmetic mean into 100. Therefore, CV is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Coefficient of variation CV is always expressed in percentage. Coefficient of variation always expressed in percentage. Let us solve some example of standard deviation and coefficient of variation. Example number 1. Compute standard deviation and coefficient of variation from the given data. And the data is 36, 15, 25, 10 and 40. Solution. We have prepared a table. First, observation x from the given problem 36, 15, 25, 10, 40. Total is 100. Then in another row we get square of each observation. So 36 square 1296, 15 square is 225, sorry, 25 square is 625, 10 square is 100 and 14 square is 196 and total is 2442. First, we have to find x bar. X bar means arithmetic mean. So formula to find x bar is summation of x divided by n. Summation of x is 100 and number of observation n is equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 100 divided by 5 is equal to 20. The formula of sigma means standard deviation is equal to under root summation of x square divided by n minus x bar square. Put this value in this formula and we get sigma is equal to under root summation of x square is equal to 2442. So we put summation of x square is equal to 2442 divided by n is equal to 5, number of observation, and x bar is equal to 20. So 20 square. So after solving this, we get under root 488.4 minus 400. So we get it under root 88.4. Under root 88.4 is equal to 9.4021. So standard deviation is 9.4021. Coefficient of variance is equal to sigma. Sigma means standard deviation and x bar means arithmetic mean into 100. So put this value in this formula. We get 9.4021 divided by 20 into 100 is equal to 45.21%. So standard deviation is 9.4021 and CV means coefficient of variation is 45.21%. Example number 2. Calculate standard deviation and coefficient of variation for the given data. And the given data is 18, 20, 22, 27, 21, 29, 27, 29, 28, 29. Solution. We have prepared a table to find x square. So x number of observation you see here, and x square of each observation. So 18 square is 324, 20 square is 400, 22 square is 482, here is 20, not 222, 27 square is 729, 21 square is 441, 29 square is 841, so on, and the total is x bar square is 250 and x square sum is 6440. First we have to find arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean x bar is equal to summation of x divided by n. Therefore 215 divided by 10 is equal to 25. We have a formula of standard deviation. Sigma is equal to under root summation of x square divided by n minus x bar square. Put this value in this formula and we get summation of x square 6414. Put here number of observation n is equal to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is equal to 20. X bar square is x bar 25 and so 25 square. After solving this equation we get under root 641.4 minus 625. After solving this we get under root 16.4. Under root 16.4 is equal to 4.0497. So standard deviation is 4.0497. Then coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation CV is equal to sigma divided by x square into 100. So sigma is equal to 4.0497, x bar is equal to 25. So 4.0497 divided by 25 into 100 is 16.20%. So standard deviation is 4.0497 and CV coefficient of variation is 16.20%. Okay. Example number 3. Calculate standard deviation and coefficient of variation for the given data. And the given data is 15, 18, 22, 25 and 10. This example is asked in April 2010 university papers. Solution. First we have to prepare for x square and summation of x square. So x is equal to 15, 18, 20, 25, 10 and summation of x is equal to 90. Then we get x square. The square of is observation. 15 square is 225, 18 square is 324, 22 square is 484, 25 square is 625 and 10 square is 100. So we get summation of x square is equal to 1758. First we have to find arithmetic mean, that is x bar. So summation of x divided by n. Summation of x 90 and number of observation is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 90 divided by 5 is equal to 18. So arithmetic mean, that is x bar is equal to 18. Then we have to find standard deviation. We have a formula of sigma, that is standard deviation. is under root summation of x square divided by n minus x bar square. Put this values in this formula, we get summation of x square is equal to 1758 divided by n is equal to 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and x bar square is equal to 18 square. So we get under root 351.6 minus 324. So we get under root 27.6. So is equal to 5.2536. So standard deviation, that is sigma, is equal to 5.2536. Then we have to find coefficient of variation, CV, is equal to sigma divided by x bar into 100. Put this value in this formula, we get sigma 5.2536, x bar 18, that is 5.2536 divided by 18 into 100 is equal to 29.19. So student, standard deviation is equal to 5.2536 and coefficient of variance CV is equal to 29.19%. Student, let us remember some important point. Number 1, sigma, standard deviation, is equal to under root summation of x square divided by n minus x bar square for individual observation. This is most important formula to find standard deviation for individual observation. Then standard deviation for frequency distribution, and the formula is under root summation of fx square divided by capital N minus x bar square. So student, here we have solved some examples of standard deviation. We will solve an example in assignment, that is find standard deviation of weekly wages of 10 workers working in a factory. We have given a table, that is worker A to J and their wages. We have to solve standard deviation. Student, solve this example, then scan and send to the Google Classroom. Students, if you have any difficulty related to this topic, you can send email on ganeshpatil@ktgmcollege.ac.in. Thank you students. Thank you very much.